Hey, if you want to add smart selection into the edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, I can recommend you to simply go into the settings, then scroll to the display. Now scroll all the way down, move into the edge panels. Now go into the panels and simply select this Smart Select. Now, when you click on this button, you can actually make some things like, for example, pin and insert application. Now we can actually get it straight into some apps. Also from this we can make the animation, so we can record the part of the screen. We can also change the quality. There we go. And now we can actually get this for like 15 seconds. And from this we can actually find our record, so we can copy and we can pin it into the screen right here. You can make it smaller, bigger. You can save it even into the screenshots. So there's like a lot of options that you can make. You can also make this like custom size selections for the screenshots. There we go. So yeah, that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.